Okay, welcome back, and now in this video we're going to go through one more thing, one more relationship between negative and positive angles among the trig functions. So this has to deal with negative angles, right? So how can we relate these 6 trig functions when we deal with negative angles? Well, again, this is something you're going to have to work with and remember, and the more you do it, the more you're going to remember it, okay? Or just take the time to memorize them. Okay, it's going to make things a lot easier. So sine of a negative angle is the same as the negative of the sine of that angle. Okay, so that goes true for tangent as well, and that goes for cosecant and cotangent. Okay, the only one that's different is cosine and secant. Okay, so for all other trig functions, the function of the negative angle is equal to the negative of the function of the positive angle. Okay, so sine of negative theta equals negative sine theta. Tangent negative theta equals negative tangent theta. Cosecant of a negative angle equals the negative cosecant of the positive angle, and so on. The only one that's different is cosine. Cosine of the negative theta is equal to cosine of the positive theta. Okay, so it stays positive. And it's the same thing with cosecant. The cosecant angle and the cosecant of the positive angle stays positive. Okay, so it's the same. Okay, all the other 4 change signs when you're dealing with negative theta. So for example, if I replace theta with an angle, let's say 60 degrees. So we'll do 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. So I just replace everything with negative 60 degrees, right? And then, so this means that all of these thetas are going to be 60. So now, sine of negative 60 is the same as negative sine of 60. Well, what's sine of 60 degrees? Well, that's opposite over hypotenuse, so that's going to be the square root of 3 over 2, but it's negative. Cosine of 60 degrees, so cosine of negative 60 degrees is equal to cosine of 60 degrees, which is equal to what? 1/2. Tangent of negative 60 degrees is equal to the negative of tangent 60, which is what? That's going to be the square root of 3, but it's going to be negative. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, right? So cosecant of negative 60 is equal to the negative of cosecant 60, which is again the reciprocal of sine, which is going to be 2 over the square root of 3, but it's negative. So this is going to be negative square root of 3 over 2. So these are just going to be the reciprocal of these. So this is going to be 2, and this is going to be negative 1 over the square root of 3. Okay? And then of course we can put these in our calculator and get the approximate answer and round it to 4 decimal places. But these are the exact answers. Okay. That's it. Have a great day.